Welcome back to Beza! Guys, we have an exciting episode. We're back. You don't want to miss this one, guys. I'm telling you, this is the one that changes everything. We're actually doing something successful today.
No. Who's ready for another successful
We only take dubs here. We only win. Literally me installing brakes. Literally me, ice cream's so good. Thank you.
Okay. We're just replacing these, guys. Replacing the tie rods, yeah.
Okay.
I thought, why not?
Why not?
Why not?
Why not? You know,
Why not? Give them what they want.
give them what they deserve. It's only 47 steps for success. I don't see this going wrong at all.
We're smashing it out.
Absolutely dominant. The more weight we remove from the front, the higher risk this gets.
Now we need like a good hammer.
Yep. Oh wow, part 2, eh? No, it's gonna be wild, bro. Explode. Oh wow, there you go. Very nice.
Ah!
What's happened? A little bit of grease on you?
That made it so much worse.
You ruined my life.
I think it's time, guys. I think it's time. Time to put the gloves on.
Look at it. Look at mine, I've already failed, bro. Remember how many pairs we go through? They last all of 2 minutes. Alright, so you've been drinking tonight?
Someone's trying to sleep to this. It's lit up their whole bedroom.
So funny. Red and black flashlight. I want to do max lumens on this shit. Have you been drinking tonight? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. When this bear's gonna realize that he doesn't need to count because the nut's there.
People who unironically still say uwu are the best.
They're the best. They're honestly top tier people. Top tier humans. We love them at Beza. It's literally just Twitch streamers, isn't it? It's just Jesus Christ, you right? Oh damn, you did it.
I just hit my hand
Did you?
on
You right?
that.
It's good you got the gloves on.
Uh-oh.
What's up?
It's stuck.
Oh. So yeah, okay.
It's okay. We will persuade it.
Oh, I got it.
Oh, you did it.
Yeah.
Bears is a beast.
Big boy.
Big boy Berza. Oh, this one was broken as well.
Yeah,
Oh no.
They were both kind of munted.
Oh yeah, it's like missing grease.
They're both
there.
munted, bro, honestly. It's alright. It's kind of what we expected already.
Is it?
Alright, so these are the same or different? I don't know. They're the same. Though.
Kind of need the light here to see anything,
sorry,
bro.
sorry.
Thanks.
Yeah, sorry, man.
Trying to just give the
You're
viewers.
fired. It's okay.
You're fired from
I
Berza.
understand.
Berza gets fired from Berza.
That's the thumbnail. Me getting shot in the head. You're gonna take me out back.
I got fired.
You guys won't believe what happens.
You won't believe what happens in this episode.
Disrespected Beza.
Oh, you're giving me both.
No, I mean, like, what do you reckon? They look different to you? They should be, right?
Oh, they're longer.
Yeah, it's alright.
You're gonna toe in more.
It's cool.
Or no? Are they on the out? No, you're gonna toe out more.
Try out more.
Oh, I don't really care, eh?
Because the alignment, though, we're gonna align it. Rusty, we're gonna line.
We aren't, because I don't know what we're doing.
We're not gonna line it, but it's gonna be aligned. Look at these beautiful black things.
They are a bit loose in here.
Yeah. Just give it some more tight. What's he
Yeah, I don't really care.
designed for it, so how good's that, eh?
It's a design curve.
Yeah, it's a beautiful design curve.
Are you ready?
It's gonna be nice. Nice and new.
But kind of not really do. Sitting on an Italian shelf for 20 years.
Yeah, they've only been used in rallies, several rallies prior to this, but yeah, other than that, they're new. Should we push in a little more?
No.
Like measure the distance and then push in that amount on the thread? No? Okay.
Nah.
Do it.
It's close enough, bro. It'll get you A to B to a wheel lining place.
Yeah, okay.
Like if we touch it, we're gonna it more.
Episode 4, Bears or Dies.
I can't wait.
That's the episode
I can't wait.
That's the episode I'm paying for.
Viewers at home, let us know. Let us know.
I've been so excited for that one in particular.
I probably sound really weird in here for the viewers. It's like
Yeah.
echoing.
In there, it's echoing.
Yes.
Specifically in there.
You're like, I probably sound a little bit weird in here. Normally I sound really cool. Normally my voice is really cool.
So I'll just do that.
Nice. No, that's cool. Dude, I don't care who you are, that's funny.
We're almost done.
Yeah, wow, how good that. This is the one thing that we had to do from the previous job. The value's literally 10x with these volts. I can finally afford an F40 Ferrari.
Oh, it's spinning.
It's bussing.
It's, yeah.
It's spinning.
Are we ready?
Yeah.
Are we ready?
Yes! Yes!
Do a quick little one. Dugga dugga.
Dugga.
Done.
Yeah, come.
Oh, we're just tightening up the nut. The locking nut though.
Yeah. This one.
Yeah. Where did I put the spanner?
Just there.
Yeah.
19. It's legal. Just did not say that. Bez would not have said that.
He's not wrong though.
It's just based, bro. This is the most based gamer we know. He puts the gamer.
He do be doing that.
Yeah.
I'm all I'm getting is top. All I'm getting is
You only get top? You only get good top? Good quality top? Hey man, I'm proud of you. Well done. I'm getting his top.
We're done. We're done.
There we go.
Yeah.
Yeah, today we have a really fun episode.